Hello guys, so welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can create a bot that trades, matches and differ with high accuracy. As you can see the transactions here, this bot is very accurate, and then there's something you need to watch till the end of the video to know before you mess it out. So as you can see, this bot has a very high accuracy, and then I need to show you something. So before you create any bot, let's say you need to go back to Deriv trader so that you see some information that you need. So let us go back to Deriv trader, and then if you don't have an account, create one using the link in the description. And then after creating an account, this will be your dashboard. You'll see something like this one. Choose Deriv trader. You will see Deriv trader there. We have Deriv bot, but you just need first to choose Deriv trader so that we can see what we want. But for beginners, you will see accumulators here. So go back to matches and differ. There's something I need to show you here. When trading matches and differs, there's a number that you need to be going for, a number with the highest percentage. And then when you are choosing your number, make sure you look through the market. Go for the number that has the highest percentage. So for me, I see here we have this number which is changing. Now I just try to see other markets and see which number has the highest percentage. You can see that is 11.6. Let us go for another market and see which one has the highest percentage. So you need to be doing that before going to create a bot there. If you see a number that has 12%, that is a very good number to use. So I just look for another one and see if I can find a number that has more than 11.5. If you find a number with 11.5, that is a good number that you can use to differ with it. So let me see here. And the reason why we are using differs is because when we use differ, we can use a bot to do that for us. We don't need to be pressing every time, because using differ, you can see the amount of profit that you are getting. So that you get your stake back, you will need to press a lot of times, and then that a bot can do for us. So we just need to check all this market. You just need to be patient. Don't hurry. Just look the market that has the number with the highest percentage. As you can see here, we have two numbers. So here we cannot know which number is going to stay up. Now here I just go for 8. As you can see, it has a higher percentage, and then it seems to be going up. Now what I need to do is go back to Deriv bot, and then I just go back here, and then the Deriv bot, I just create a bot. I don't really remember the market, so I just go back and confirm which market was that one. Now it was volatility 50 1 second. So that is the market. I'll be creating a bot dedicated to that market. So here it is. I just go to bot builder here and then choose quick strategy. We have Martingo here. I choose it, and then I'll set here. You can see it's just chosen. I just choose volatility 51 second. That is the market that I have seen. And then here you choose just matches and differ. Now we have something you need. Don't forget this one. Choose differs there, and then the digit was 8, so I change it to 8. Then we have the initial stake, the number of ticks duration, and then I have my profit, my loss, and then the Martingo. just choose the martingale as 1.5. That is a good one, so that you don't lose a lot of money. So my maximum stake according to your account, just set according to account so that you don't blow your account there. Now after that, I can just run it and then we'll see it here. Just can just open it. So it is this. So you will leave it to run for almost after getting your stake back. Just go and confirm how the market is going. The reason why we choose a high percentage number is because that high number percentage will go down. That percentage will have to go down because this number keep balancing. There is no number that will go up to 20% here. So if you know that, it means that it will reach almost 12.5 and then it will start going down. So the most best numbers are the ones that have 12 point something. So you have to be, if you see a number that has 12%, then choose that number, because as you have seen, this 8 has just changed. Just looking at it, it went to 12 and then it started going down. As you can see, it is still going down. So avoid numbers that have a red like this one, because you'll end up losing your stake there. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and subscribe, like this video. If you don't have an account, create using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.